So welcome again to Military Guna TV, people. Thank you very much for joining me. As you know, I'm going to speak about a particular player. Let me put it up for a second. You guys can see it. Shamar Nicholson. No, Shamar Nicholson is in really, really good form right now. So basically, that Dubai training has come to fruition for him right now, because at this moment he's in scintillating form. But before we get into it, I'm going to get in some details of the performance that I've seen. Only 2 performances I've seen, and they're on YouTube. People can go and check it out. The channel name is just type in Spartak Moscow versus Ural, and you will see that game. So as I said, people, in the meantime, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. As you know, we're going to get into the details of what's happening and his performance, because I know a lot of you guys are very much interested in his performance and what is likely to come from Shamar Nicholson during this time period. So we're going to get into that, people. As I say, I would really, really appreciate if you guys smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. As you know, I'm on the road to 50K for this year. Is that possible? Is that possible? We don't know. We do not know. But the only way it can be possible is by you guys smashing that subscribe button. So, good. Let me get this off the screen. Let me get this off the screen, people. So you guys can see what's happening. So let me show you guys the goal that he scored first. That's goal number 1. Goal number 2. Like a true poacher. At the right place at the right time, people. The right place at the right time. So let me tell you guys from what I have seen of his performance this time around. Now, significantly, he has improved a lot in his gameplay. His link-up play has improved. His positioning in the 18-yard box has significantly improved. His hesitancy in regards to watching the offside trap has improved. So there's a lot of things that have been improved. Definitely, as you can see, these things are coming to fruition now. He plays, like, this is the second game. This is actually second game for preseason. It's second preseason game. Yes, I believe it's second preseason game. Yes, of course, it's second preseason game, and now he's actually 3 goals out of 2. 3 goals out of 2. I can't remember. Let me give you a check. Let me just give you a random check to see if I'm on the right path, because I need to know. I really need to know if it's his second preseason game. Do apologize for that, people. Do apologize for that one. Ooh. So it's not showing. So this is actually his third, but we're not getting much. I'm not getting much information on those games actually. So the first preseason friendly was actually 28, where it came on for a couple of minutes. Then now they had another preseason on the 5th of February. No, on the 2nd of February. Then on the 5th of February, the 2nd of February was he finished in the Lal. They played against Riga. Then they played against Johor Dural. And that was 1-1. Then now they played the game against Ural, where he scored that 1 goal, where ball literally is like a poacher. Loose ball in the 18-yard box, and he was the one who picked it up. Let me see if I can. I have some images of that one. I do have images of that one, people. Let me find the images of that one. Yes, this is where that one came. These are images from that one. These are images from that one. And then he latched onto the ball. But as I'm saying, people, I've seen some improvement, some real improvement, and it's a good look. It's a good look because that's what we want for the players. That's what we really want for the players. And he really only can get better from here on, because the time will come where his skill set will be vital to what we do as a nation. As you know, it's important that we ensure that these players are on the top of their farm. There are other players who right now are right around playing football, but I specifically wanted to zoom in on Shamar Nicholson because of his adaptation process, and he has done so much media work since he has been at the club with Quincy Promes. I can't remember the name, but I think it's a Brazilian. Doing a lot of media work. It's on their YouTube channel. Also, he did some interviews. I think about 3 interviews so far. Spoke openly about the move and what are the expectations, and even the coach himself has opened up about what he expects from Shamar Nicholson and what he have seen so far from Shamar Nicholson. And just as I am impressed, the coach himself is impressed. And I think I had some video footages of like some halftime warm-up sessions, something to get themselves in order. And he was looking good, really, really sharp, scoring some goals from 30 yards out quite easily as well. So it's confident. He's a young man, and we're expecting good things from him. And we'll be keeping a keen eye on Shamar Nicholson throughout this season specifically, because we know the situation of previous players who have played in that league and what the expectations are of them. So same expectations are on the back of Shamar Nicholson. As you know, we expect the best from our players. We expect the best of them at all time, regards to performance, discipline, all those aspects. So far, I'm really, really impressed with the news that are coming out. The fans are galvanized because of him. They really, really are interested in him. The moment he scores, a lot of fan base are rushing into the Twitter to speak about it and all those things. And that's good to see. That is really, really good to see that he's making such an impact on the fan base and also on the club. And I think it can only get better moving on from here. So I won't get any further, people. Great work so far, and continue doing the good work, Shamar Nicholson. I know no situations here, but anyways, people, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, people. If you like the video, hit the like button, people, and I'll see you guys again. Military Guna TV, people, and I am out.